a great poet, music composer. Program a successful one. Now, I request everyone.
You didn't respond. I said namaskar, you didn't say anything. I thought that I'm not audible. But then it seems that I'm really audible. In fact, the program was to come to an end, and the master of ceremony, she was about to declare that now she has also presented the vote of thanks. And thereby we were to end with this program, cultural program that you have hosted. But then I could not hold back myself. If I don't appreciate the efforts that you have put in within the least possible time, I would be failing in my duty that I have not appreciated the efforts that you have made today in order to entertain not only you but we too. If you look at the kind of a composition of this snack beer team, you would find that we are
so I will not take much time. First of all, I like to welcome all honorable NAC peer teams to this NAC exec meeting, and also GP President Mr. Toru Chaudhary sir, our honorable principal madam, and our respected faculty member and non-teaching staff as an ex-faculty member. Now, I'd like to request our honorable principal madam to share a few words regarding this last 2 days NAC peer team visit experience among with us. So please, madam, I welcome you.
One second, madam. Of course, you can speak. You can speak. Because 2 chairs have to be there, because these are 2 people.
Honorable Chairpersons of the peer team, Dr. Vishnu Magare sir, Member Coordinator Dr. Sarath Chandran sir, and the peer team member Dr. Praveen Goswami sir. President of the governing body, Mr. Toru Chaudhary, our esteemed colleagues, faculty members, and the others who present here. I welcome you all to this exec meeting. It has been a proud moment for all of us. I consider this very moment a kind of achievement. The fact that we have been able to prepare and go through third circle of NAC assessment and accreditation itself speaks about our commitment to quality and resilience. We know, sir, we are never perfect, and so are institution. There will always be areas we need to improve upon. Important thing is to identify the areas of imperfections and have a mechanism to overcome these shortcomings. We feel privileged that our institution have been graced by the presence of some great intellectual and academic leaders of India in the form of NAC peer team. I am thankful to the peer team for the pains and troubles that may have taken to visit this part of our country. We will remain extremely obliged to them for their help and guidance, and assure them we will work upon any suggestion they might be having to put forward too. Once again, I extend my warm welcome to all of you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam, for your kind words. Now, I'd like to request Member Coordinator NAC peer team, Dr. Sarath Chandran, DP Professor, Department of Economics.
Respected Chairman of the NAC team, Professor Vishnu Magare sir, the member of the peer team, our Goswami sir, Principal of this college, the IQAC coordinator, and all the teachers who are present here. I know that after 2 days we are all a little tired, but I can visualize you must be working so hard for so long, and still you have a lot of energy to wait for us for this moment to see the last program. That is a valedictory aspect of the peer team visit. I will not take your time. I know that you are all tired. Okay, I'll take only 2 minutes to tell only 4 points. Okay, point number 1, the kind of reception and hospitality extended by the college, the faculty, teachers, students, and each and every one of you were outstanding, and we were so overwhelmed by the kind of hospitality you extended to us. We are coming from different parts of India. We were also very happy, fortunate to get the glimpse of Assam's rich cultural heritage and dance and other things yesterday. And all the 2 days, I think every one of you made us so comfortable, okay, to do our job. That's the first point. The second point I would like to tell is, these 2 days, yesterday and today, all 3 of us made our sincere attempt to understand each and every aspect of the college and sincerely, unbiasedly, objectively, we try to look it. And in this process, our effort was how to make this college better, progressive, and grow faster. That was our prime concern. Okay, we are not inspectors or something. We, as a peer team coming from outside, try to look at the college, look at the positives and potentials, and tell you so that you are in a position to plan your next 5 years. Okay, and when the next peer team comes, I'm very sure that the college would have grown much bigger. Okay, that's the second point I would like to tell about. The third point, I see a lot of potential in this college. Being a very small college, we have seen the second cycle peer team report. Compared to second cycle, you have grown leaps and bounds, right? And being a very small college, that in a kind of a little remote area, and the college, you have put in a lot of heart and soul for the development of the college, and there is a huge potential for this college to grow much bigger, maybe eventually, as somebody said yesterday, to become a part of the university in this region. Okay, that is a third one. And the fourth point is something which I would like to tell is, now we are a new education policy, NEP, that is bringing lot of sea changes, rapid changes. Okay, colleges and cities and other things, they are in a position to take it and move fast very quickly. But colleges from remote areas, so many things. Okay, you have to, for example, the new talking about the multidisciplinarity, holistic growth, academic bank of credits, credit transfer. So many new things are being discussed and told by the government for the colleges. So you should be on your toes now. Okay, it's not the status quo. It's not like earlier time we come, teach, conduct examination, go and take relax. No, nowadays college teachers is putting under tremendous kind of pressure to catch up with other institutions. So as a colleague, as members of the college, my simple advice to you is, we should be open. Whatever challenges, whatever policy changes, you should grab it. And you should not say that no, we could not do it. And rather you should do it well, so that you can be an example to rest of all the colleges in Assam. Thank you very much once again for the kind of support and love shown all the PFT members. I wish all the very best for the college in your future growth trajectory. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words, comments. Your overall observation of this last 2 year, today's observation as well some suggestion given. I hope this kind of we have noted the suggestion comments. That will help the overall development of the college in the coming days. Thank you, sir, once again. With due permissions of the chairperson and NACPER team member, now I like to request all honorable NACPER team member to submit the NACPER report to honorable principal madams. Please come forward.
And be handing you both of them. आइए आइए अब आइए सेंटर को आइए
The assessment. Please welcome, sir.
Namaskar and very good evening to all of you. I know it for certain that your faces are telling me that how tired you are. But at the same time, it is a mixed kind of a feeling that I could see. Since you have remained present for this long evening. So on one hand, I could see the sense of satisfaction dropping out from your faces because you stayed throughout the entire exercise. It is now quarter to 9 and still you are there. And also the kind of a satisfaction you have toiled for a long and you could see this day. So therefore, I could also see the feeling of happiness on your face. But I could not out of this exercise. With this, I wish you every luck for getting you good assistant and accreditation. Great. And also, I wish on my own personal behalf and on behalf of my, I would not say colleague, because we are at one and the same plane. There is chairman one who is a first amongst the equals. Otherwise, we are all equal. So on their behalf also, I wish you every best of luck. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the kind words and also the advisory comments that you have made. It gives me immense pleasure to present the vote of thanks for this today's NAPPER team exit meetings. The management committee, governing body, principal, IPC, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, alumni, student and other stakeholders of the college are grateful to the NAPPER teams for their valued in-depth examination to assess the quality of education on 8 to 9 November 2024. With deep sense of gratitude, we extend our sincere thanks to Honorable Chairman NAPPER team, Dr. Vishnu Magare, Vice Chancellor, Parbara Institute of Medical Science, Maharashtra, Honorable Member Coordinator, NAPPER team, Dr. Sarad Chandran BP, Professor, Department of Economics, Goa University School, Goa University, Goa. Honorable Member NAPPER team, Dr. Praveen Goswami, Principal, Poddar International College, Rajasthan. We also extend our sincere thanks to NAC Coordinator, Dr. Vinitha Sahu, Assistant Advisor, NAC Bangalore, Karnataka, for her kind support and cooperation during this NAPPER visits. I am also very much thankful to all the Honorable Steering Committee member, Advisory Committee members, Cultural Committee member, Executive member, Reception Committee member. Words are not enough to thank their constant guidance and support to save this entire NAPPER team visits in a successful manner. I, on behalf of Organizing Committee, convey deep regards and hearty thanks to our Honorable Governing Body President, Mr. Paul Chaudhary sir, and Honorable Principal, Madam Mrs. Hemanti Balaroy Burman, for their continuous necessary support, guidance, and obtaining advisory approval for the event. I'd like to thank our beloved head of the departments, esteemed faculty members, non-teaching staff for their continuous support and guidance to make this event a successful one. I'm very much thankful to our respected ex-faculty member, alumni, students, and other stakeholders for their kind support and cooperation during this NAPPER visits. Without their support and the cooperation, this could have not been successful. Thanks to all you making this event a successful and memorable events. Have a wonderful and pleasant staying at Boingam for NAPPER team visits. With these few words, I'd like to conclude the vote of thanks and